My dear viewers, today discuss the first chapter, matter and its composition based on ICSE class 7. This video only for discuss summary, MCQ and very short question type, that is SAQ. At first discuss the summary. Atom, the smallest particle that make up a substance or matter. Element, pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom. Compound, a chemical substance from when two or more elements combine together in a fixed ratio. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Next, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter exists in three different states: solid, liquids, and gases. Solid have a definite shape and volume. The molecules of a solid are closely packed. Liquid do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume. The molecules of liquid are loosely packed. Some question, that is, choose of the correct answer for each of the following. At first question, which of the following has a definite volume but not a definite shape? Option 1, chair. Option 2, apple. Option 3, oil. Option 4, soap. The right answer option 3, that is oil. Next question, gases occupy all the available space because their molecules are: option 1, strong. Option 2, weak. Option 3, loosely packed. Option 4, tightly packed. Answer option 3, loosely packed. Next question, which of the following is the smallest particle that make up a matter? Option 1, atom. Option 2, molecule. Option 3, compound. Option 4, mixture. Right answer option 1, atom. Next question type, fill in the blanks. First question, two or more atoms combine to form a. Answer, molecule. Next question, dash is a pure substance that consists of only one kind of atom. Answer, element. Next question, dash neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Answer, gases. Next question pattern, write T for true and F for false. First question, air has mass and occupies space. This statement is true. Next question, intermolecular phase is same in all the compound. This statement is false. Next question, rainwater is an example of a compound. This statement is true. My dear viewers, next question pattern, define the following terms. Number 1, molecule. Number 2, intermolecular force. Number 3, liquid. Number 4, intermolecular distance. Number 5, atom. Number 6, element. Number 7, compound. At first discuss the molecule. Number 1, when two or more atoms combined, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next pattern, the defined term, intermolecular force. Molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. Next term, liquid. A substance that has a definite volume but not a definite shape is called liquid. Example, water is a liquid. Next term, intermolecular distance. The distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. Next pattern defined term atom. The smallest particle that makes up a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. Next pattern, next defined term element. An atom is the basic unit of an element which represents a substance. Example of elements are hydrogen, oxygen, gold and silver. Atoms retain the property of their respective elements. Next defined term compounds. Molecules from atoms of different kinds are called compound. Is a compound? Next question pattern differentiate between the following term. Number 1, atom and molecule. Number 2, element and compound. Number 3, solid and gas. Number 4, intermolecular force and intermolecular distance. Now discuss number 1, atom and molecule. Atom, the smallest particle that makes up a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. Molecule, when two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either the same kind or different kinds. Example, water molecule containing both hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next different terms, that is the difference part between element and compound. Number 1, difference part. Elements are substances that are pure in their nature and are composed of a single atom. But compounds are also pure substances that are composed of elements in definite properties, definite ratio. Second part, that is B. Till now 118 elements have been discovered, out of which 94 elements are naturally occurring on earth. Indefinitely, that is indefinite number, no particular fixed number of the compounds can be found. There is no absolute number. Next part, that is C. Element can be categories as metals, metalloids and non-metal, but compounds are divided into three categories: metallic, ionic and molecular. Next part of the difference between element and compound, D option. Elements are the single atom, hence they cannot be broken down. Compound can be broken down using chemical reaction. Next difference part, E. Elements are represented using numbers and symbols. Example, hydrogen, oxygen, copper, carbon, etc. But compounds are represented using the chemical formulas. Example, water, ammonia, sodium chloride. Next difference between solid and gas. Option 1, that is discuss the part 1 difference part solid and liquid 1, that is A. Solid has definite shape and definite volume, but gases have neither definite shape nor volume. Difference between second part, that is B. Solid cannot flow but gas flow in all direction. Different part for third, that is C. Arrangement of molecules of solid are tightly packed, but arrangement of molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Next difference between intermolecular force and intermolecular distance. Intermolecular force, that is molecules in a substance are held together by a force called intermolecular force. But intermolecular distance, the distance between the molecules of a substance, is called intermolecular distance. My dear viewers, next part, that is the next video based on compound and its composition, only for discuss the question answer type. Please show the next video. Thank you, my dear viewers. Okay.